What's up guys, welcome to another video. This is the video. This is a car we bought to flip. We bought this car from Copart for £1,600. That's the winning bid, including the fees. It totaled up to just under £1,900. And the damage on this car was in this area. I'll put pictures up on the screen. The damage was of the quarter panel and the door skin. We had the door replaced. The door cost us £100. Just the door. That repair for that cost us, including the paint and blending, £350 for this. We had another damage over here. As you can see, the grill's missing, and this cost us £100 to repair. So this is the interior of the car. Not bad, pretty nice. This one's it doesn't have the sat nav, it has the radio, but this also comes with a city button which lightens the steering wheel when driving locally, when you press the button. And we don't have the advanced dashboard, we have the standard version. And this one, we have the piano black trim piece around it. This is a 5-speed. It has no AC. It's got Bluetooth, FM, AM, all that. It's not a bad car. It's good daily runner. Good for new drivers, cheap insurance, and cheap on fuel. This is a 1.4, and you can also get them in 1 litres. This is not the turbo. We bought this car, as I said before, for £1,600, which was a winning bid, £1,650, and including fees it came around to just under 1,900, around 1,880. And we are selling this, and it will be sold for £3,400.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways,
3 days at the body shop. Just put it up on Gumtree Auto Trader. Please stay tuned for future videos, as we will have videos on repairing cars, on flipping cars, in project cars, all sorts of stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Also comment down below what would you like to see next.